Even if you don't know physics well, you'll know the quantum world is strange or counterintuitive. To describe quantum phenomena, we can use analogies. Analogies is a way to show similarities between concepts. For example, to describe a cell, we can use a city analogy. Back to physics. One analogy we often use is known as Schrodinger's cat. It's a thought experiment devised by Erwin Schrödinger in 1935. The paradox goes like this. There's a cat in a box. It's placed with an explosive device, let's say a bomb. It has a 50% chance of going off and killing the cat, and a 50% chance of nothing happening at all. Since we do not know the outcome without opening the box, we can say that the cat is in a state of superposition, where it's both alive and dead at the same time. It isn't until we open the box that the wave function collapses and reality is forced to decide one eigenstate of the cat, dead or alive. This sort of scenario commonly occurs under the subatomic level. Let's say you have a photon. Unless we actually measure or observe the photon, we say that it's both a particle and a wave, known as wave-particle duality. Schrodinger's cat is an example of the Copenhagen Interpretation. It was formulated by none other than Niels Bohr in 1920 as the basis of quantum mechanics. It states that until an object is observed, it will exist in multiple eigenstates until the observation is made by the observer. And then the wave function will collapse. When I say the wave function collapses, all I mean is that multiple eigenstates or states are narrowed down to one eigenstate or state. There's one thing to point out. Schrödinger didn't actually believe in the Copenhagen interpretation. Schrödinger's cat was an example of quantum superposition, and as he states, that prevents us from so naively accepting as valid a blurred model for representing reality, which basically means that the quantum model does not satisfy reality well. However, Einstein and Schrödinger seem to be incorrect about their thoughts on quantum mechanics. This is not to say that a cat can be alive and dead at the same time. It just means that particles can do so, and we use it as an example. Well, thanks for watching and subscribe for more.